Looking for signs and symptoms of kidney disease problems? The kidney is one of the vital organs in the human body, and any alterations can have severe problems. The kidney's main function is the removal of waste from the body, maintenance of normal electrolyte balance, controlling blood pressure, production of RBCs, and making the active form of vitamin D. Signs and symptoms of kidney disease. Your body will give you signs and symptoms that your body is not functioning properly. Here we have some symptoms to keep an eye on. Blood in urine, and increased urination. The filtration system is compromised and the kidneys are impaired. Hence the individuals have the urge to urinate frequently. There can also be the presence of red blood cells as they tend to leak from the damaged filters. It can be an indication of UTI, kidney stones, or enlarged prostate. Swollen ankles and feet. Impaired kidney function can lead to sodium retention. The swelling in the ankles and feet can be due to kidney disease, heart disease, or liver disease. Low back pain and muscle cramping. Lower back pain is also a sign of kidney disease. As the kidneys are situated to the side of the spine, the pain is also situated there. The pain can also spread to the bladder area or genitals. There will be an imbalance in the essential minerals in the body. These minerals are also responsible for muscle contraction and relaxation. An imbalance in the minerals can contribute to muscle cramping. Fatigue and trouble sleeping. Did you know that if you are having trouble sleeping and feeling fatigued, then it could be that too much excess buildup of toxic elements in the body were due to anemia? These factors make you feel tired and lethargic and induce fatigue. Puffiness around eyes. In kidney disease, there can be leakage of proteins in the urine. The puffiness indicates a large number of proteins are being eliminated. Itchy skin. It can be an indication of advanced kidney disease. Dry and itchy skin can be due to an imbalance in the minerals and a lack of nutrients in the blood. Decreased appetite and weight loss. Due to the buildup of toxins in the body, there will be a loss of appetite which will result in weight loss. If you notice any of these symptoms of bad kidneys, it's best to get checked out by your doctor as soon as possible.